Jambo, Kenya. This is Grandpa Koffi Olomide. First, I apologize. Sincerely, I'm sorry what I did wrong. To everybody who was affected by what I've done, I apologize. I want to say thank you to the government of Kenya because the government allows me to come back again in the country. I missed so much Kenya, the country of my life. I miss you, Kenyans, so much. I will be very soon in the country. I will be so happy to meet one by one for selfie, to say hello, and we will announce the date for the coming back of the King of Africa in Kenya. Sincerely, apologize. I did wrong. Thank you very much, my lawyer, Professor George, for what you did, for what you have done. And once again, thank you, the Kenyan government, to allow me to come back again in Kenya. I'll be there. I'll be in Nairobi very, very soon. I'll be happy to talk with the celebrity of medias, and then we will announce the show of coming back. I love you. Respect.